Cuboid, redefining the fashion exhibition space and activating the Metaverse.
Hi, my name is Philip Chief.
Hi, my name is Nanda Andaru.
Hi, I'm Clarice Ng.
Hi, I'm Charles Razandi.
Hi, my name is Andrian Ramadhan.
The presentation of the fashion exhibition has evolved with the introduction of the digitized experience in the recent years, opening up new possibilities of the presentation of garments and ideologies behind them. However, the utilization of the digitized space for the fashion exhibition has yet to be fully tapped on. In our previous study of alternative futures, we uncovered the history and stories behind East Javanese garments on the island of Madura. In reimagining how daily dress objects would look if Madura was never colonized, we presented our findings in the format of an interactive website.
However, we wanted to further challenge the experience and the means of how our research materials and speculated 3D designs are assessed through. How can we push this showcase to be more immersive, experiential, expanding beyond the traditional renderings of a website? This is where we posed the idea of creating Cuboid, an immersive virtual 3D landscape to host these 3D objects and interviews, opening the dialogues of decolonized thinking. Embark on a journey to redefine the fashion exhibition space, utilizing technology to present experiences and facilitate discussions, ultimately creating a future-ready platform to exhibit and collaborate on current evolving technological landscape.
So the purpose and objectives of this project now is to present fashion within the context of digital and addressing the metaverse through a decolonized lens. We research on dress and environment to get people to start thinking about what decolonization means within the context of digital. Previously, we wanted to create a study resource that people can access in regards to the Madurese dress. So now, we want to challenge and redefine virtual presentation of information and knowledge by activating the metaverse, utilizing technology as a tool to present experiences and facilitate discussion.
Through our brainstorming and interpretation of alternative future of Madura, we create digital world inspired by Madura architectural and cultural element. We create digital space was curated such as that it can be accessed by user anywhere, anytime, without limitation. To create the digital world to house and present the reimagined 3D garment, we use several variable assets ranging from 3D object, material treatment, user experience, digital architecture that have been created and must be exported properly. The asset variable that become my reference for the process of converting and developing into several program languages such as HTML, CSS, 3.js, and also GitHub in order to maximize and to create the most engaging interaction experience. This digital space is very fast in the process of interacting with people or with the object, working with unlimited inspiration, working a lot of cool stuff, and collaborating with anyone at any time.
The visual identity of this space was influenced by architectural and cultural elements of Madura. There is a familiar side to Java. The main identifying motif of Cuboid was inspired by the calok, which is a type of golok that can be a weapon or common tool used for farming in Madura. The organic curve of the calok were integrated throughout the architectural element across Madura. The distinctive curves were also used for other adaptation carried out using the 3D software Blender. The solid structure was made from scratch in Blender and then we exported it to GLTF format and then we put it online.
Due to the complicated nature of the materials, most of the mesh is created by manually using a lot of subdivision dividers in Blender. The material development mostly starts with using procedural material and then we tweak some of the UV matte to match the topology of each object. It is then baked in mostly 1K to 3K size of data that is later translated in the code. The trial and error on each bake is usually around 4 to 15 bakes until it's matched to the desired outcome. As this digital world is created and optimized for public access, we have to find the perfect balance between aesthetics, experience, and the technicalities of file size, which determines how fast the viewer can load the website.
Moving forward, we hope to expand Cuboid to meet the needs of future exhibitions, expanding onward to a second floor, further detailing the digital architecture, environmental building, and new pavilions.
We also hope to expand the style and the look of it in accordance with the future exhibits, where we can integrate different cultures and references into this digital space. Thank you.